Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about a sentiment classification method of web social media based on multi-dimension and multi-level modeling. A sentiment classification method using web social media like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter based on multi-dimension and multi-level modeling. Next, overview of the project. Abstract. Sentiment classification of web social media faces the problem of text context semantics missing. The existing project mainly solves the problem of text context semantic missing by mining language symbol information in web social media text, seldom considering the emotion symbols and punctuation symbols in web social media text. So, using natural language processing to rectify the problem. In order to make full of sentiment information contained in web social media to solve the problem of text context semantics missing, we propose a sentiment classification method of web social media based on multi-dimension and multi-level modeling. By modeling web social media text from three dimensions like language, symbol, emotion symbols and punctuation symbols, and three levels word, sentence and documents based on deep learning framework to solve find the sentiment and improve the accuracy. Okay, next flow diagram. Start, select and load data set, data pre-processing, natural language processing, data splitting, count vectorization, algorithm implementation, prediction and result generation. First, start our program. Next, select and load Twitter data set. Data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is clean the data set to remove unwanted data from the data set. If you have any null values, so replaced with 0. Next, natural language processing. Natural language processing is human readable text. There have lots of process out there. Like stop words is ignore a is that words, stemming, remove ing words, ing. Data splitting. Data is splitted into training and testing data. Count vectorization to convert collection of text. Text are converted into zeros and ones values. Next, algorithm implementation. Artificial neural network algorithm. Next, multi-layer perceptron algorithm. Prediction. Prediction is like that text is happy, sad, neutral to find which kind of sentiment. And result generation. Result generation is find accuracy, precision, recall and FN score. Okay. Next, output explanation. Okay, this is our Twitter data set. Next, data set informations, index values, columns, non-null, count, data type. Next, data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is checking null values. No null values are there, go next process. Remove unwanted column. Any unwanted columns are there, just remove it. Next, natural language processing. Natural language processing is human readable text. That process is stop words and stemming, remove punctuation, remove unwanted words are there. Stop words is like ignore the word is that whatever. Next is stemming. If you have a word ing format, gaming, remove ing, so the word is game. This is our natural language processing. Next, model selection. Model selection is data is splitted into X label dataset and Y label dataset. That's purpose is splitting training and testing data. X label dataset and Y label dataset. Count vectorization. Count vectorization is the text is converted into zeros and one values. Next, algorithm implementation. Artificial neural network algorithm. ANN have input and hidden layers and output. So input layers dense 1, dense 2 and dense 3. Next, epoch. Epoch is how many times train the machine. I have put 10. So 10 times I have trained the machine. That's accuracy is 92. Next, classification report for ANN. Precision, recall, FN score and support. Next, multi-layered perceptron algorithm. Iteration. Iteration is how many times trained the data set. Single process, how many times trained. Loss is training process. This is our loss. Next, this is our prediction accuracy 94. So this is our proposed algorithm. Give highest accuracy 94. Next, confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is this is our true positive value. This is our false positive value. This is false negative. This is true negative. This is based on our accuracy status. Next, comparison graph. ANN 92, MLP 94. Prediction status happy. Give any Twitter text. The text is happy, sad, neutral. Whatever it is, predict the status.